What'd you think?
Love it.
That's cool, huh? Yeah. You need gas, man?
Huh?
You need gas?
Let's roll through town, get some gas.
All right.
I don't know where the next gas station is.
I know, man. I didn't see one on the way over.
Nah.
Yeah.
I think they got one station in town.
Probably. Alright, you guys, I'm about to go meet up with Kareem. It looks like he's got some other people here and shit too, man. I pulled up, realized I didn't have my wallet when I went inside a 7-Eleven to get a drink, and now I'm back. Gonna get me my drink, and we're gonna get the hell out of here. Look at old man Modular over here. How long were you waiting, man, the first time?
Maybe like, I parked, I went inside, I got something, I came back out, I looked up YouTube and you showed up, so 5 minutes at the most.
Alright, man.
You know, so,
that's what's up.
Yeah, now the guy was said they meet here, he said on Sundays at 9 o'clock. And he said they just go ride for like 100 miles or so.
That's crazy,
so
man.
Like, if you ever want to go ride with a big group, we meet around.
Not that far, man. I rode this shit to LA and back, man. I'm not doing that shit again, dude.
Nah. Too fucking uncomfortable.
So we're going back to Borrego Springs. I haven't been there in a minute, man, but it's a dope ass road. I like it. I'm with Kareem and the GSX-R 600. Alright, man, so we got a long ride ahead of us before we get to the actual ride, so I'll be checking back in with y'all. Alright, we got a little lost up here. We are about to be unlost. Kareem needs gas. I might as well fill up too. First gas station we find, I'm gonna grab some. My fucking headphones died. Let me see if they charged up a little bit. And so I haven't been out here since the last time I came with Marcelino, and I almost smashed into that guardrail. So me and Kareem are gonna run this shit. Alright, man, you ready? Cool. What'd you think, man?
Huh?
What'd you think?
Love it.
That's cool, huh? Yeah. You need gas, man?
Huh?
You need gas? All right, so we're heading back up, and Kareem is gonna lead the way. Look at this fucking place. Yeah, last time me and Marcelino went down that way. This time we're gonna go back up. Here we go, y'all.
GSX going crazy.
Alright, you guys, so that's it for Montezuma. I've never went up Montezuma, but it was fun. So real shit, man, I'm still compiling all the best rides in San Diego that I can find. The best that I can find. And the best to my opinion. And I'm still trying to find the worst. So I'm gonna find them all. I'm gonna put them together for you guys. But for now, we're on our way back to San Diego. So we will catch y'all next time.